Today we are talking about potential communication patterns. We will see two persons, A and B, communicating. How do we communicate is the real question. Let's say this is Mr. A and this is Mr. B. A is the sender, B is the receiver. So what A will do, or what the sender will do, he will create an image in his mind. Create image of what he wants to convey to Mr. B or the receiver. Then he will do a reconstruction of words, speech or actions. Which word, which speech, which action that B can understand or the receiver can understand. Then what he will do? He will convey that message. Convey that message with the least possible medium, which has the least amount of barriers. Like if you are in a busy traffic and everyone is honking and you are saying something to someone who is not near you, and there's a lot of barriers, so this is not the right way to communicate. Or example, if someone is not Indian and or someone who does not know Hindi, and Mr. A speaks in Hindi to Mr. B, will that be called a communication? Definitely not. So this is the way to communicate. Now we will see communication patterns between A and B. What can happen? Okay, so let's start. The first thing, what person A is thinking. The second thing, what person A actually speaks. What person B hears. Fourth, what person B understands. Now, if point 1 and point 4 does not happen simultaneously, there is a miscommunication. It's simple. The easiest way to understand is what person A is thinking. If that thinking comes in the mind of person B, that's great communication. If person A is thinking something, speaking something else, B hears something else and starts understanding something else, there is no communication. If B is thinking something, he spoke something else, B understands that, hears that same thing, still communication is not 100% complete, because A was thinking something else. If A is thinking something else, A speaks the exact same thing, B hears the same thing but understands something different, then also there is no communication. There is some kind of miscommunication, and this will not be fruitful. So to have a great communication, we have to understand that what person A is thinking. This is the first point. This is the start of the communication, and the communication ends here. These two things have to be same, equal. If it's not equal, it's not the best communication. There are chances of improvement. This is the communication pattern that can happen.
Thank you guys for watching the complete video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have enjoyed it or liked it, and you think that it's practical to use, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to never miss an update, please turn on the bell notification. Thank you. Peace and richest blessings to you all.